Hello and good morning. Um, okay, a few days back I have created a WhatsApp group. The name of the WhatsApp group is something like Mukti Eggs Incubators, and I have added around hundreds of members within this group WhatsApp group. Now, many of the members personally, sending me WhatsApp message and asking from where I got their, number, WhatsApp number. So that's a valid question. I feel I need to answer this question because, of course, sometimes I also get, added into different unknown WhatsApp group. I don't know how they got my number. So I was curious and personally send them, the admin of the group. I send them WhatsApp message from here where they, get my number and added in their group. Sometimes it's a very interesting group, which is useful for me to be as a member and get the updates. Sometimes, some groups are like e-commerce type selling stuff, so and the product is not interested to me, so I just exit the group and delete the group from the phone. So that's how I do things. Now to these group members that I have created, the group Mukti Incubators, Eggs Incubators. This is I got from all of the numbers I got from IndiaMart. I have one company, you can say computer training center, Mukundapur Computer Training Center. This is my name of the company, and I sell a few of the product. Basically, I sell service. I'm engineer myself, so I do programming, a lot of programming. So let me go through the steps how I got your number. First of all, this is IndiaMart. When I go to seller.indiamart.com, I buy leads. Like when I buy a leads, a email goes into my Gmail account. I get email something like this: inquiry for egg incubator from Deepu Roy, Partho Thakur, and you see all the emails I got when I buy a lead from IndiaMart. Now you see in this email you have the number, phone number. You see this phone number. So this is your number, right? But how manually I get into note down and create a list and then create a WhatsApp group. I didn't do any manual work. It's all automatic. Manual work, what I did is the programming part, because I am program engineer myself. So this is let me tell you how I did that. This is Google spreadsheet, Google Sheets, and in it I have a program running in the background. Okay, let me open different sheet. So I have a program that's running in the background, and that program actually runs once in a day, 24 hours, only once in a day. So if I buy any leads in IndiaMart and I get new email with the title something similar to this one, okay, then that program will know that this is a new buy lead I actually purchased. So it will extract and get the information from the email and create a list like this one. You see all the email, name of the person, you people, the member name, and then the inquiry title, something like this, what you are looking for, 88 eggs, 150 eggs. Some are having generic name because there is just visit and They don't give any proper name, but it is basically generic title, and then phone number and the date in which I purchased the lead. Now this one is the yesterday. So yesterday I purchased only 2 leads. I got 2 numbers. So this I have not created manually. It is done in the background automatically. It is done. Let me show you the program. And once I get this list, I just open WhatsApp application in my computer, like this one, you see, and go to the group. And maybe if you have no group, you just want to create new, you create new something like this from here. You see the button, plus button, and create a new group. And in that group you add one person at the beginning when you try to create a group. Any of your second number or your friend's number or your family number, any number you want to add, you create group using single number at the beginning. Then go to the group information and import that file, this one, this list. You can download it actually. If you want to download, you can download as a Microsoft Excel, and then you import in the WhatsApp group. So this part, the importing part, is a manual work. Once I import, it's done actually. So that's how you got into my WhatsApp group member. But if you feel you are not comfortable with the group conversation, or the subject is not interested at all, you can exit from the group. But if you feel like that this group is going to be interesting, is valuable, then be there. I will update some valuable information, data about the poultry industry and incubator, especially how to make, and step-by-step stuff like that. And hope we can together solve a lot of problem that happen in poultry business, especially disease control, medicines, and supply, how to get government's help regarding this, and so on and so forth. So if you feel like that this group is going to be good, then be there. I hope you like how I got your number. Thank you for listening to me.